today's video. So here it's pretty easy to see exactly what the issue is. So I'm just going to come along, probably drill a bunch of holes along this ledge, same with along this ledge here, and then clean up the metal on the inside, both top and bottom, clamp it together, and spot weld it. Should be a pretty easy fix. Should be. There's nothing on this truck that is quick and easy. Let's get started. Now that I got the holes drilled out, that'll give me a spot that I can clamp this together and just spot weld through those locations. Along the bottom edge here, I was actually able to see most of the original spot welds. So I drilled those out. Again, I'll clamp it together and get it welded up. Now the next step is going to be just to clean up all the metal, take some of this paint off, clean up the inside here, along here, get some of the surface rust off there so that when I weld it, it'll just be a nice clean weld. So that's the next step. So, after a little more time on the welder, a little time with the grinder, hit it with a coat of primer, the outside skin is no longer separating from the inside. Still got a little bit of touch up to do, but overall, this can be another item just marked off the old punch list. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.